Hi everybody, this video will show you how to use the frequency polygon tool inside of MyOpenMath. In the question, we're given a frequency distribution and asked to draw a frequency polygon based on the data. Because we have group data, we're going to use the midpoint of each class when we begin to graph. We're going to use the midpoint that would correspond to the class right before the first class given. So we're given 50 to 60, the middle is 55, so I'm going to take a step back and start at 45, and I'm going to put that at 0. Then from 50 to 60, we said we're going to go to the middle, which is 55, and I just want to put a dot at 4. We continue our graph by going to the point in the middle of 60 to 70, which would be 65. So over at 65, I want to go all the way up to 13. There I place another point. Then from 70 to 80 means I need to go to 75, and I want to go all the way up to 20. Then 80 to 90 says go to 85. Our last class says 90 to 100. The middle of that is 95. And we go down to a value of 5. To finish the polygon, we want to touch the x-axis again. So we'll go to the next class, which would be 105, and we put a dot. If you find your line continues to move when you finish your graph, double-click on the last dot before you hit submit.